Hello to all of you. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Electronics Engineering. My name is Ria Pal, and in this video we are going to study about OR logic gate. Now on the screen you can see the symbol of OR logic gate. Now symbol means the way it looks like. OR logic gate, how it looks like, that is called as a symbol. In this I have given two input, that is A and B, and output is expressed as Y. Now this OR gate functions as whatever the input you are giving, it will do the summation of them. It will add all the input together. So since output Y is expressed as over here, since the input are A and B, output over here is expressed as Y equals to A plus B. Now if I give input as X, in place of A if I write X, and in place of B if I write L. So output Y is equal to X plus L. This is the way of writing the output expression. Expression sometimes is also called as equation. I hope this is clear. Input are A and B, output is represented by a term Y, and Y is written as A plus B. Okay, now here on the screen you can see the definition of OR logic gate. You can pause this video and you can jot down the definition. What this definition says is it defines how a OR logic gate works. Now let me tell you, OR logic gate will give high output if any one of the input or both the input are at high logic level. I hope this definition is clear. It will give, or logic gate will give the high output if both the input or any one of the input is at high logic level. Now based on this definition we will form the truth table. Now what is a truth table? It will tell you the relation between input and output in the form of a table, that is called as a truth table. Now here you can see on the left hand side I have given the symbol of OR gate with input A and input B. So there are two input A and B, and output I already set Y equal to A plus B. So there are how many number of input? We have two input. One is A, another one is B. Now how many combinations? You can see on the right hand side I have made column A and column B with combination as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So how I have made this combination is based on a very small formula. That formula is 2 raised to n. Okay, in digital electronics, since we deal with either with 0 either with 1, we write 2. And n represents how many inputs you are giving to a logic gate. Since here we are giving two input, one is A, another one is B, so n is 2. So 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Hence with column A and B we can make 4 combinations. So these are the 4 combinations which is displayed on the screen: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now as I said in definition, that output of the OR gate will be high if both the input or any one of the input is at high logic level. Now see the first row. Both the inputs are low, hence output is 0. See the second combination or the second row. 0 1. A is 0, B is 1. Here B is 1. Okay, so output is 1. See the third combination or the third row. A is 1, B is 0. That is A is at high level, B is at low level. Since any one of them is at high level, output is 1. The last combination, the last row, A is also at a high level, B is also at a high level, that is 1 1. So 1 1 means output is 1. Okay, so I hope this truth table is very clear to you. In truth table, what we make is column A, column B. How many combinations are to be made? We use this formula, 2 raised to n or 2 power n. Okay, since here we have 2 input, we write 2 power 2. So 2 raised to 2 is 4. So we make 4 combinations. How to write is start with the 0. Since 0 we consider that to be of low level, we start with 0. So first column will be 0 0, that is 2 0 back to back, and 2 1 back to back. So 0 0 1 1. Column B, since this is the second column, okay, we will write 0 1 alternately. So it becomes 0 1 0 1. And output, how we have obtained this is by the definition of OR gate. I hope this is clear to you. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Electronics Engineering. Thank you and have a nice day.